Off getting mushrooms again. How do we do it, Gotcha?
We're just hunting the mushrooms.
And what do we do?
Trifles. Eating 5Gs trifles before hunting the mushrooms.
Uh-huh.
I forgot to tell you guys that we need to think like a mushrooms. Then we'll find some.
I'm thinking like a mushroom now. He's already found one. You got in the mushroom zone so quickly. I'm seeing where you're at. Okay, so I got one small one. Okay. Well, we've got ideal conditions. It's warm and wet. We're looking for chanterelles, right? Yeah. Okay. We're looking for guiliness, or to the English-speaking world, that's called a chanterelle. This isn't one, is it? This is poisonous. Reddish top. I don't think that's edible. So apparently you can make carbonadas out of these ones. Yeah. Oh yeah. Chop chop. So the rain is really coming down now. But as I said before, should be ideal conditions for a mushroom. I've got one in the basket, and apparently my basket is hilariously small for mushrooms. So fingers crossed I don't, actually no, I do want to fill it up. Here's another one. Got no one around to help me tell whether that's poisonous or not, so I'm going to take it for now. This sucker here. Beautiful. It's an odd sort of situation because I've just found a couple that are yellow, and you're trying to condition your eye to look for it, you know, to look for a particular type of mushroom, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh shit, there are actually a wider range of colors this time around. Last time we went out it was just brown mushrooms. But it looks like I found a whole motherload. One here. Chop, chop, chop. And then over here. There it is. It looks like it's been chomped on a little bit, but... Show me your bucket. Oh, damn. Come across these like little spots where it's just like, you can see there's obviously going to be no mushrooms here, but you've got this beautiful spongy ground and it's lovely. And I see a mushroom. I don't know if it's edible, but let's find out. This one edible?
Which one? Yeah.
Yes!
Auxner.
We need to do something about it. She's got a crazy amount. Oh, blood. She's got so many of them.
Which one?
Oh, I don't know, but she tipped up her bucket before and she had like at least 20. I don't think so. I've not seen a single guileness. Yeah, I'm keen. We might be going to another spot. Get some more mushies. There's plenty of blueberries around. The blueberries are just like a weed here. Everywhere. The crazy thing is that there's just like bears in this forest. And like everyone just sort of walks around like it's like not even just isn't even a thing. And I'm like, ugh, that one was yuck. That was a slimy mushroom. But everyone just walking around like it's not even a thing. I mean, I've never seen one, but apparently they're here. Am I going to get rolled by like a big bear? I've seen these Russians like who have bears as pets and shit. I'm not like that. We'll take that, whether it's edible or not, because that's quite pretty. Look at that. That's beautiful. The other odd thing about doing this is that like you turn around a few times and it all looks the same in every direction. And then I realized that you could walk for miles and realize that you're actually nowhere near where you park the car. It's just an absolute jungle through here. Which way should I go? That way? or that way. That way looks like more promising for mushrooms. I'm gonna go this way. Where are you, you bastards? Mosquitoes. That one? I'll take it. That one looks nasty. Ew. Someone's probably gonna say, oh, that was the inedible mushroom. I don't know, it looks like death to me. Where's the car? I genuinely don't know where the car is. Okay, I'm just gonna walk this way for a bit. Little nerve-wracking. I thought I didn't walk this far, but apparently I did. I see some open space out the other side though. Hopefully that's the road. There's only one. I see a cut mushroom. Blood. Oh. Hey! How far have I walked? Oh my god! The car's all the way down there. Shit. What was that? 1, 2, 3. Had about 5 mushrooms thrown out. I'm actually still alright with that. We're good. Apparently this big red one's fine. So it's the one that looked the most poisonous to me. Now we'll go for guiliness. Sunglasses was an ambitious choice. You got a tick?
No, the bear feet.
Bare feet? Where?
I'm not sure about that.
Yeah, here, this one.
Oh my god. It's a bear print. I was just talking about this. Nice. Oh, beautiful. The big pain in the ass is that the birch leaves, when they come down, they go yellow. And like really, really intensely yellow, and they look a lot like islanders. It's everywhere you look, until the point where you just get jaded by it, and then suddenly maybe you just miss them because you think it's a birch leaf. It's time to start walking back. If I see anything along the way, whoopee. If not, well, I got the other ones. Maybe I'm just being too aggressive. Maybe they're hiding from me because I've got my knife out. And they know. They know what's coming. Go, push it over. Basically I'm just going to be making orecchiette, rolling it out with my thumb. Hopefully it works out alright, and we'll put those in with a foundational flavour of mushrooms, carrot, garlic and parsley. Caramelize those in a fair old amount of olive oil, get some saffron stock in there, and then chop these mushrooms up into some chunky pieces and make a little sauce. Then add the orecchiette in. We should be done. All right, let's see if I can remember how to do this. Little ears? Maybe. Close enough. Nah, macaronis. So they're not the best anyone's ever seen, but they'll do the trick. You know, some of them look like perfectly fine, and then others look like Mike Tyson's had a go at them, and then others look like they've been playing rugby, like fully closed up like that one. but they'll do. So they're going to get a blanch and then they're going to finish it off in the sauce I'm about to make. So you want to get this a nice even browning. Basically I'm going to go until that carrot is nice and soft, because at the moment it's hard as hell. Started in the rain, so it seems only fitting for it to end in the rain, and this has come out remarkably well. We've got some purple basil, green basil, got a whole lot of mushrooms and some guyliness, aka chanterelles, and we'll give it a go. It's meaty, it's fragrant, a little bit of salt, comes out really nicely. Oh. Yeah, that's tasty, man. I've say that my orecchiette are a bit thick, but it's come out really nicely. I'll put the recipe up, but maybe just use like shells or something like that. That should work a little bit better, but I'm happy with that. Not with this weather though, it's just shit. Gosh, chanterelles are so good.